To download Udemy courses on a PC, it's essential to have Microsoft Edge installed, as this process is currently limited to this browser. Once Microsoft Edge is open, navigate to the Udemy website and create an account by filling out the necessary details, including full name, email, and password. After completing the registration process, answer a few questions to customize the account, such as current career goals and profession. Upon logging in, the homepage will be customized based on the provided information, suggesting relevant courses. To access the courses, they must be purchased, with prices varying depending on the course. There are also free courses available on the platform. After enrolling in a course, install a specific extension on Microsoft Edge by going to the Extensions section, searching for the Udemy downloader, and adding it to the browser. With the extension installed, navigate back to the Udemy account. Click on the extension icon, and select the Udemy downloader. This will open a new interface where the analyzation process can be initiated, and the list of videos for the enrolled course can be retrieved. Once the video list is loaded, select the desired videos and click the download button to start the download process. It's worth noting that this extension may not work for every course on Udemy, and the download process may take time, depending on the length and content of the course. Additionally, the extension may load slowly for longer courses. By following these steps, it's possible to download Udemy courses on a PC using Microsoft Edge and the Udemy downloader extension.